Alright. Hello everyone, I decided to buy a diesel diagnostic laptop, truck tuner, heavy duty. Is that 2025 kit too. I'm doing an opening box of it, and so let's find out what's in here. Let's see if he ends up being a Temu buy like my wife says it's gonna be. Oh, they gave me a handy dandy hat. Alright, let's make sure this thing is recording. Yep, okay, you're still recording. Okay, thank you. Let's put it back on. So back to it. We got a hat. Pretty decent. Nice padding. I don't wear hats. Looks like it's the 6-band adapter. Let's get it out of the box. It's a pretty decent length. Okay, here's the other one. I think this one is probably gonna be for the John Deere's and the, yeah, that looks like a John Deere. This one here is for the OB2 port, or whatever they decided to call it on the automotive side. Now there you go. There it is. And here's the COM adapter EDL communication device that connects between the machine and the laptop. Looks pretty decent. And here's the power from the laptop to the communication device. And the power cable. Oh, and here it is. Oh, look. And it's got a 30-day money-back guarantee. Then they sent you, I think there's a no? Nah, I think you just call them for the return label. That's just empty. Alright. Well, looks like some kind of information. I'll read that later on. Read is important. We'll read that later on as well. Well, this is a refurbished laptop. It actually looks pretty decent to be refurbished. I don't see any scratches. They did a really good job. Alright, let's see if we can find a power button on there. Oh, there's the power button. There it goes. There's a Panasonic. So anyway, so this is what I bought. Later on I'll make more videos of how it actually functions and see if it's actually worth buying. This one was not that expensive compared to diesel laptops. So thanks for watching.